Okay, y'all, so here's what happened. Here's the backstory. Um, Last night I was out doing DoorDash deliveries and I noticed I was smoking a little bit and I could smell it. So, um, got in to my last delivery before I took it and, got to inspecting and stuff like that. And, before I knew it, I barely even moved this and coolant started spewing out. So, ha ha ha, that was my trick, not my treat last night. And of course, with these cars, they like to eat all things, anything to do with coolant or anything. They love eating through that. Um, so basically, what this helps your coolant feed into basically like your radiator and stuff like that. And of course, if you run out of coolant, you're up a creek without a paddle. But I'm gonna take this off right now. I'm gonna show y'all how to take this off. And not only do I do my Volkswagen, but I've got a 2012 Chevy Cruze and I've got a 27 Wrangler. And then when I get done, I gotta clean all of this out. So hang on, let me put y'all on a tripod and just show y'all a little bit how to do this. Let's see. There we go, where you can see it. And we are going to take that old nasty hose off. So what you want to do for this, I'm going to set my keys in my pocket, is you want these needle nose pliers, because I'll show you why. I do not, for the life of me, I have never liked these. I hate them. I mean, I'll use them if I have to, but so basically I'm going to take, and I'll get a good grip on it. This one may not be so good, it's all rusted out, so this is just so rusted out. And I'm going to take it too because it's secured in the middle by this little upper tube piece. I call it an upper tube piece. You can call it whatever you want. But let me try going to the side on this real quick. So y'all can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to take this. Let me see. I hate these. Oh, I hate them. I'm trying to get a good grip on it. I'm gonna take it and wriggle. Yeah, so the best way to go is in like that on it. And you're off. So now I'm gonna go to O'Reilly, pick up my part, and get some more coolant, praying that this thing didn't just burn up. So, ooh, the end. So, if anybody has any questions, let me know. Have a good day.